Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Nintendo Switch dock charging but not showing on TV. Fix 1. Check the HDMI cable. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the Nintendo Switch dock and the TV. If possible, try using a different HDMI cable to rule out any cable issues. Fix 2. Check the TV input. Turn on your TV. Use your TV remote, press the input or source button until you select the correct HDMI port where your switch is connected. Fix 3. Check the dock's indicator light. Look for the indicator light on the Nintendo Switch dock. If it is not illuminated, press the power button on your console to wake it up. Fix 4. Try a different HDMI port on the TV. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable to a different HDMI port on your TV. Select the corresponding input on your TV. Fix 5. Change the TV resolution. From the home menu on your switch, go to System Settings, then TV Output. Try changing the TV resolution setting to lower values like 480 pixel and see if a picture appears. Fix 6. Turn off Match TV Power State. In System Settings, then TV Output, disable Match TV Power State. Repeat steps 4 and 5 after making this change. Fix 7. Reset the AC adapter. Turn off your TV and disconnect all the cables from the dock. Unplug the AC adapter from both the wall socket and the dock for at least 30 seconds. Reconnect the AC adapter directly to a wall outlet and then to your console. If no image appears, try restarting your console. Fix 8. Check the switch position in the dock. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is properly seated in its dock with a secure connection. If after following this step you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Check Nintendo's official customer support website at Nintendo's customer support to see if your issue has a simple solution. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel.